Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel and our very first video. So today is really just going to be about introducing ourselves and kind of telling you a little bit more around what this channel is going to be about and invite you to join us on our journey basically. So my name is Naomi, I'm 30 years old, half German, half Italian, and now in Dublin since about 2 years.
I'm Luke, 27, will be 28 soon, and I'm Irish. Basically, we have the idea of putting together this YouTube channel because we've been sitting in lockdown here in Dublin for the last 12 months. Kind of constant, kind of feels like it's not going anywhere. Me and Naomi, we met in Flyfit, believe it or not, which
In
is
the gym, yeah.
it's basically like a local gym. I was a personal trainer at that gym. Since then, I've put on quite a bit of weight, thanks to the lockdown. And but yeah, basically we met in the gym. That's how we started talking. I got Naomi to film a video for me for my Instagram.
Well, first of all, you texted me on Instagram saying, "Hey, are you on the leg press?" And I was like, "Yeah, that's creepy."
Yeah.
And he was just kind of standing behind me, and I was like, "Hey, you want to film a video of me?" And I had no idea what was going on. I didn't even understand what he was saying because of how nervous I was. But yeah,
Yeah, it's basically started like that. I asked her to film a video. We got talking from there. We started dating, and then the rest is history, really. So yeah, basically what the idea of what we're doing now is we're going to leave Ireland. We're going to go to Germany.
in about 20 days,
20
19.
days, 19 days, yeah. So it's going to be fun. We're planning on staying in a place called Wuppertal, which is like a hilly local area for Naomi's family. Her dad lives in the area. So we're going to stay in an Airbnb there.
For a month at least. So for right now, we booked the Airbnb for 30 days.
30 days, yeah.
Kind of hoping that we can plan our journey a little bit more because like we really have like 2 or 3 destinations in our mind for right now where we definitely want to go, which is definitely Indonesia, Mexico, and maybe the Philippines or something like that, and then kind of have a look like what other destinations are out there for people that want to travel and what is open basically. So like because we were sitting here in lockdown for kind of the last year and we're not able to travel or do anything outside of our 2-kilometer or 5-kilometer zone, we really just want to, experience something different and obviously stay safe, but also see something else than Dublin.
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly. Like, and we were looking at doing, if we can't go to Southeast Asia, we're going to do, or Mexico, we're going to do interrailing, so like travel around Europe, see what the buzz is with that. So basically take trains in and out of European countries, like Central European countries. Start off in Germany, go to somewhere like Latvia, Lithuania, go to Czech Republic, go to Croatia, wherever we go, we'll see. But basically, the idea of this channel is it's going to be a travel channel. We're going to share with you guys how we are traveling full time. We're planning on traveling full time, basically for the rest of our life. So we're going to show you guys how we plan on doing that, why we're planning on doing that, and basically just bring you along on the journey.
yeah, and how we got ready for that maybe as well.
Yeah.
So like for the last few months really, we were fingers away from the energy drink. For the last few months really, we were putting aside a lot of money. Both of us work in tech sales right now for kind of the last few years. So we put away a lot of money, everything that we could possibly put aside. And kind of since like maybe a year now, we're investing the money as well. So kind of trying to make the most out of the money that we have put aside.
Yeah, we're using an app called Trading 212, which it's not a sponsorship, obviously. This is a brand new YouTube channel, but call us. It's basically a platform that we use to invest. 80% of our money goes into the stock market at the moment. So, yeah, and we've seen very nice returns and some losses. on like there is a lot of risk involved, but it is probably the best way to use your money right now with inflation and the fact that you don't earn anything in a bank. So that's another aspect of this channel that we're going to be showing you guys, is how to use your money to help you travel, to help you escape whatever country you're in. If you're tired of where you are, if you're tired of lockdown, if you're tired of this whole situation, you can have a look at our channel and hopefully you'll find some kind of inspiration.
Exactly, yeah. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, I'd say.
Yeah, hope you enjoy it.
You're more than welcome. You're more than welcome. You're more than welcome to join us on our journey, and we're really happy if you just, like, in case you have any questions as well, just kind of reach out to us either on YouTube or Instagram. We'll probably be putting our contact details somewhere in the description below. So
Yep. Let's do it.